Hello everyone. In this video we will see the error detection and error correction for example. Okay, so let us see the example. A 7,4 Hamming code is received as 1110000. Determine corrected code when even parity is there. Okay, so in this problem they have mentioned that it is even parity. That means both transmitter and receiver are working on even parity. Okay, so let us just observe this code and we will write this code as separately 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so first write down the given received code 1110000. Okay, so we have written this code and we know that where are the parity bits. Okay, so parity bits are always situated at 2 raised to power positions, right? So 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 2, that is 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4. Okay, so 2 cube is not there. Okay, in some cases the message size or the Hamming code size may be large, and in that case the 2 raised to cube 2 raised to 4 powers may be there. Okay, so we are not considering those bit format, we are just considering 7,4 Hamming code. Okay, so we know that at these positions at these positions the parity bits are located at the receiver side. And how to find out the errors are there in this Hamming code or not. Okay, if there is if their bit is any bit is changed in this code or not. Okay, so how to find out? We know that E1 is equal to what? Now here, instead of P1, P2, P3 parity bits, I am just taking here E1, E2 and E3 for error bits, as error bits. Okay, so E1 should be what? We have to consider 1, 3, 5, 7 bit positions in the Hamming code. So 1, 3, 5, 7 means 1, 3 means this one, 5, 7 means 5 is 0 and 7 is 0, 0, 0. Okay, so here the number of ones are already even. Okay, so there is no error at even position. Okay, so there is no error at even positions. Okay, so it should be 0. Now for E2 consider 2 3 6 7 positions. Okay, 2 3 6 7. Okay, so 2 3 means 1 1 and 6 7 positions are 0 0. Okay, so the total number of ones in this 4-bit format are already even, so there is no error at E2. Okay, so write there 0. Now for E3 the we have to consider again the 4-bit 4 positions. Those are 4 5 6 7, 4 5 6 and 7, right? So 4 5 6 7, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So again all zeros are there, there is no any logic one. Okay, so already these 4 bits are in even parity, so there is not necessary to add 1 in this 4-bit format. So here we have got 0 0 and 0. So consider E3 as MSB and E1 as LSB. Okay, so whenever you get E3 E2 E1 is equal to what? 0 0 0. So 0 0 0 in decimal is what? 0. Okay, so we have already placed these positions in decimal 1 to 7. So whenever you get this 0 0 0, just keep in mind there is no any error. Okay, there is no any error. So whenever you get 0 0 0, even if it is even parity or odd parity, it doesn't matter. Okay, just consider, just keep in mind, whenever you get 0 0 0, there is no any error at all. Okay, now if you convert this problem statement as odd parity, then what will happen? If you convert this problem as odd parity, then what will happen? This received pattern has even number of ones, So to make it odd parity, so even bit must be 1 to make it odd parity. Okay, so we have find out this 0 0 0 for even parity, and if it is given odd parity, then these bits will be inverted. Am I right? These bits will be inverted. So E3 is MSB. So 1 1 1. So this position for even odd parity will be E2 E1 E3 E2 E1 will be 1 1 1. So this is in binary format. So 7 is in decimal format, right? So from this we can conclude that there is an error at 7th position. There is an error, one bit error at 7th position. So we need to change that bit at the receiver side. So receiver will take care of that. Okay, so 7th bit is having some error. So instead of this 0, the exact data was 1 which the transmitter was transmitted. Okay, so I hope you understood this very simple example. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any query, you can write it in the comment box. If you have liked this video, then please click on like, share with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.